So we just marked all the text for Branch Manager. So now click in the navigation again, and we're going to do this to several others. One is brochures, and again click in the mark entry so that brochures comes up. Choose mark all, and then click in the document, and in the navigation the next entry we're looking for is target market. And it's always showing you over on the left hand side where these different phrases appear. Click in your mark entry, and again choose mark all. Click back into the document, and the next one is Anthony Martinez. So you can see where that shows up. Again, it's in the summary. Click your mark entry, choose mark all, and then back into the document. One more, shopping cart. And it shows up where that is in online venues. There it is. Click in the mark entry and choose mark all. So you're just going through the document, picking either keywords or phrases or people's names, and you're going to mark this so that it's listed in the index. So we'll go ahead and close out of here after we've labeled them all. And we're going to go to job seekers at the top of the screen, workshop procedures. So not control home, because that will take us to the table of contents. So it's the top of page 3. And then we're going to type in the navigation HR professionals. And it shows us it's in workshop committee, and so the workshop committee is the paragraph side heading, or the level 1. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go back into the mark entry, and notice it comes up as the main entry. And so for the main entry, we're going to type instead, because that's the phrase we're looking for. We want it to be workshop committee, which is the name of the side heading. And the sub entry will be the HR professionals. And we're not going to click mark all, just click mark. So that one's marked. And you can see again the entry index is showing up. And then we'll click anywhere in the document, and we'll type in the navigation laptops. And this time we're going to choose in this mark entry, so go ahead and make that active. Click the C cross-reference, and over to the where it says C, you're going to fill in appointments. And then click mark. Click anywhere in the document, again in the navigation, type appointments. And then you're going to click the last entry in where it's bookings. So it takes you to that one. And that should be appointments on the spot. Perfect. And then you'll click the mark entry dialog box and click just mark. And mine didn't come up, so let me select. Okay, it should be appointments. There we go. I just double clicked it and clicked appointments, and now click OK. And close. Control End. Control Enter gives you a new page. Type index. Press Enter. And then we'll apply for the word index size 18 bold, and Control E for center, and then we'll just go below it again. And then we'll choose from the Reference tab, Insert Index. And in the formats, we're going to select Classic. There's our sample. And then OK. Back in the navigation, select, type in refreshments. And you're going to click the second instance of refreshments. And then open up your mark entry. And then double click refreshments so that it shows up in your mark entry. There. And then choose mark all so you get your index marker. And then because we made a change, we'll close out of here. You need to go back to Control End, and you need to right click and update field. So refreshments gets in there. I'm also missing theme, so I'm going to click in here and type theme. And again, you don't want the one that's in the contents page, so select the next one. And we're just going to click this one here, double click. And then choose your mark entry. There it is, mark all, close. Again, go back to the end, Control End. And right now under target market, there is no theme, so right click and choose update field, so you should have it. The next thing we'll do is, this is hard to read, so we're going to go back to table of contents. And we'll go back to custom table of contents. This is the index. So we'll go back to index, and this time we're going to choose formal. Oops. And then OK. It's a little bit easier to read. Replace this. OK, this is a lot easier to read. So if you want to close out of this so you can see everything, and if you want to show you hide, turn that off. So here's your index in alphabetic order, and it should match what's on the other side. The laptops, it says see appointments. Refreshments, all the pages that it's on, the shopping cart, target market, theme is on 3 and 7, and this is a heading, workshop committee, HR professionals is on page 3. And that is a save and submit.